Hey everyone! Want an easy way to calculate and track employee salaries? Creating a salary sheet in Excel is simple and flexible. In this guide, I'll show you step by step how to make a professional salary sheet. So, let's get started. First, create your headers. Include columns for employee name, employee ID, basic salary, allowances, deductions, and net salary. These are the essential fields you'll need to calculate total pay. Next, fill in sample data for a few employees. Add names, IDs, basic salaries, and expected allowances or deductions. This helps you test your formulas before using real data. Now calculate net salary. In the net salary column, type a formula equals basic salary plus allowances minus deductions. Press Enter and Excel will automatically calculate the net amount. Format salary and allowance columns as currency. Select the cells, right-click, then Format Cells, then Currency. This makes your sheet clear and professional. To see the total payroll, use the sum function at the bottom of the net salary column. This quickly shows how much the company will pay in total for the period. For clarity, you can add conditional formatting. For example, highlight high salaries or deductions in different colors. Go to Home arrow, Conditional Formatting, arrow New Rule, then set your conditions. Finally, save your salary sheet as a template. Go to File, arrow, Save as arrow Excel template.xltx. This allows you to reuse the same format every month without rebuilding it. And that's it. With this setup, you can easily calculate, track, and manage employee salaries in Excel. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Excel tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.